Hello, this is David Jones, otherwise known as the Friendly Marketer, and I'm coming to you with another video tutorial. This time I'm going to be looking at the migration once again. I already have done two videos on this, the migration, how to migrate your wallet, parts 1 and parts 2. But in this series, in this particular video, I'm going to be doing an update because right now there has been a slight change to the migration process, and you'll see this as I go through the video. There is an element of automation being carried out, and certainly what's in place is also something where you can get your coins migrated rather quickly to your new wallet. So let me dig in, and I'm using, for this video, I'm going to be using one of my downlines, one of my wife's downlines actually. He is now to migrate, so I asked him for permission to use his wallet and his back office to show you how it is done. So let me begin the process by first logging into his Kringle account. And when we log into his Kringle account, we're first going to start this migration process by doing the 10-question questionnaire, and that is found here under the migration tab. So we click the migration tab first, and having clicked the migration tab, when it finally opens, hopefully today, it's taken a while. Right, once it opens, we're going to go through the 10 questions, and then we're just going to follow what it says. So I'm not going to take much time in doing this as far as the questions go, because you have seen this already. I'm just going to go through it quickly so that we don't take too long with the video. Provided my computer stops acting up. Oh my gosh, see, it jumped and told me that I answered the first question incorrectly. I haven't even answered it yet. Okay, let's carry on. So what's going to happen is when I eventually get to question 10, where the differences occur right now is that normally when you get to question 10 and beyond, what you would have done, having come now to this last page, what would happen here is that we would open this window, go to the TBC 009 setup, the new wallet, and then we would copy and paste that new wallet address and come back here to a slot that was previously existent right over this submit box. Paste it in there, click submit, and migration will be over. The coins would then be manually moved over to your wallet, but we have a different option now. So let me continue now by going on to opening this page here and setting up that wallet. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the email address here. Make things a little easier. Then I'm going to click the link here to open a new window. And having opened the new window, which is the TBC 009 wallet, when that page loads, we will click to register. So here we are at the new wallet location. That is https://tbc009.net/login. I'm going to click register. So after putting in those passwords, we click the captcha, and it's telling me it wants to wants me to select all the pictures with bridges. So I'll do that. I'll select the pictures with bridges. Here, 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 here. Then I'll click verify. Then I'll click register. And once that registers, the next thing you have to do would be to select the security question from the drop-down menu. And I'm going for favorite food. After you select your answer, you put it in twice, you confirm it. It asks you to put it in again. You click send, and once you click send, then that aspect of registration is complete. You'll notice now that I am in the wallet. There is absolutely nothing here in the wallet except that it has Kringle, home, logout. You have the wallet address, and that's basically it. So what I'll do now is I will go back from here to the Kringle, to the TBC 004 wallet to complete this migration. But let me take you back to the Kringle just so to refresh your memory as to the next phase of the instructions to carry out. As you would remember, the instructions would have told us that after setting up the TBC 009 wallet and registering it, the next thing we are supposed to do is to go to the TBC 004, log in, and select then to migrate our coins, which is now a 24-hour process. Hit the migration button, then come back here and finish it all up by clicking submit. So I'm going to take us to the wallet. And here in the wallet, you'll see that it tells us migrate your balance to tbc009.net. 1, create an account at tbc009.net, and I've already done that. 2, use the form below to transfer your current balance to tbc009.net. What we are asked to do is to put in the email address, so I'm just going to copy and paste that. Here is the space for the, let me move myself here out of the way. Here is the space for the email. And I just paste the email in there. And I hit migrate. Migration has been done successfully. So that's it, folks. What I will do now from here, having hit the migration button and it's telling me migration successfully, has been done successfully, I go back now to the Kringle back office, and down here, I click the submit button. And when I click the submit button, it should give me also a message up here, your request has been submitted. And that's it, folks. That's how you migrate now. First, do the questionnaire, register your TBC009 wallet, go to your old TBC004 wallet, migrate your coins. That's a 24-hour process. After you start that, then you come back here to the Kringle back office where you started in the first place, click the submit button, and it's all over. So thank you guys for watching. This has been David Jones, the Friendly Marketer, and in this video I'm just showing you how to migrate your wallet. This is an update to the 2 previous videos I would have done. So thank you for watching, and if you have not done so, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and be on the lookout for more tutorial videos to follow. Thank you.